But for now, I think I'm gonna go and find some, I don't know, like seafood chowder or something warm inside, cause yuck!
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 Which means you have to put a raincoat on. And those two things don't really mix, so it's just horrendously unpleasant out here. And this is my job, so this is what I do. So I'm complaining a little bit. I'm allowed to complain just a little bit. But for now, I think I'm gonna go and find some, I don't know, like seafood chowder or something warm inside, cause yuck!
You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com. Keep the forecast at your fingertips. Download the Weather Network app at your favorite app store. Visit our new and improved video gallery showing you the latest weather news, viewer videos, and more, only on theweathernetwork.com. Go to theweathernetwork.com for an in-depth analysis on the science behind the forecast. Find exclusive articles straight from the meteorologists.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Bathway, the tub cutting people. Visit bathway.ca. Force of Nature is brought to you by Banana Boat, proven double protection. This report forecast is brought to you by, has been brought to you by, Understand and Manage SSD hard drive, no signal is available. Thank you for your participation. This screen is displayed. This module is approximately 20 minutes in length.